Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of data analytics to answer an important question. What does a data analyst actually do? Data analysts play a crucial role in businesses by collecting, cleaning, and analyzing data to help organizations make informed decisions. If you're considering a career in data analytics or just curious about the field, this summary will give you a clear understanding of a data analyst's day-to-day tasks, required skills, and salary expectations.
Here are 10 key takeaways from the video. Job role overview. A data analyst's primary role involves defining problems, gathering data, analyzing it, and providing insights or recommendations to meet business needs.
Defining the problem. The first step is to understand client requirements, such as dashboards, reports, or specific analyses, and create a plan of action.
Data collection and ETL process. Analysts collect data from multiple sources, SQL, APIs, flat files, and work with programmers to create ETL pipelines, extract, transform, load, for efficient data processing.
Data cleaning and standardization. Data is often messy, requiring cleaning and standardization, for example, fixing inconsistencies, normalizing formats, ensuring completeness, to improve usability.
Data validation and quality assurance. Analysts run queries to validate data accuracy and ensure it aligns with expectations before using it for reporting.
Data preparation for reports and visualization. This involves creating database views, which structure and format data for specific reporting and visualization needs.
Creating reports and dashboards. Analysts use tools like SQL, Tableau, Power BI, Python, or are to generate automated reports and visualizations for stakeholders.
Required qualifications. A bachelor's degree in fields like computer science, statistics, or finance is typically required, while a master's degree is optional but may be beneficial.
Essential skills. Key skills include SQL, Python, R, data visualization tools such as Tableau, Power BI, Excel, SAS, and cloud platforms like AWS or Azure.
Salary expectations. Entry-level analysts earn $45,000 to $60,000, mid-level analysts make $65,000 to $80,000, and senior analysts earn $85,000 to $110,000. Skills can be learned affordably through platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and edX. If you're interested in a career as a data analyst, now is a great time to start learning. Be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insightful content.